We all know that finding a free unlimited AI video generator that is actually free and unlimited is kinda difficult these days. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 AI video generators that are not only free and unlimited, but gives you good quality videos as well. So let's get started. The first one on our list is the Sky.ai. This one is actually not popular and no one is talking about it, and I don't know why. I mean, it's officially giving you a free forever plan and unlimited generations, with permission to use these videos for commercial use. So let's test it out and see how it works. After signing in, if you go to the Create tab and then look at the middle down there, you're gonna find a small shout box to create videos or images. Once you click on the video option, 2 inputs appear. The prompt of the video that you want to generate is gonna be in the first one, and the second one you can leave it as it is or describe in it how the video should sound like. You can add image reference to the video prompt, you can also add first and end frame images, and there's a lot of other options down there as you can see. I made a whole video on how to use this platform in details. I mentioned in this video that some of the features are broken, but the owner of the platform responded in the comments and mentioned that all of these features got fixed, and I tested out myself and they are actually working right now. Anyway, make sure to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. But for now, let's just upload an image, write a prompt, and see how it goes.
We have arrived at last.
As you can see, the result is just amazing. And you have a lot of options over here that you can use to adjust the video clip to your liking. But now, you're probably thinking, how can I download this video? It's very easy task. If you go to My Creations, you're gonna find your videos over here. Just press download like that and the video is yours. Number 2 on our list is TikTok. I don't know if you guys know that, but TikTok have a platform called TikTok Symphony Creative Studio, which gives you 1,000 credits per week. These credits are completely free and they get refreshed every Monday. You can use it to generate image to video, text to video, reference to video, and you get free access to a lot of other features. In my opinion, this is the most generous plan I've ever seen, since the video doesn't take that much of credits to be generated. The only downside is that you can only generate vertical videos. Let me try it out and show you an example. Here, as you can see, you can choose between text to video, image to video, or reference to video. I will go for image to video, choose an image, write a prompt, hit generate, and wait for it. So it generated the video and took only 5 credits from us. Let's see how it looks like. Before we go to number 3 on our list, I just want to let you know that I have more free AI video generators that I didn't mention in this list, and I'm gonna make a video about them after this one, so make sure to subscribe to get updated when I publish a new video about them. Anyway, number 3 on our list is Vibes.ai. Most people on the internet will complain about Meta AI taking its AI video generator down, but they didn't know that Meta actually didn't take it down. It just created another platform for it, which is Vibes.ai. So basically, Vibes AI is Meta AI in a new look. In this platform, you can generate videos completely for free and unlimited. Seriously, I've never hit the limit here. And by the way, I have on my channel a whole video testing this platform and explaining how to use it step by step. So make sure to check it out if you are interested. I'll leave the link in the description. Anyway, first create new project. Then you have a lot of ways to make videos here. You can do text to video, image to video, and you have the feature to upload start and end frame to make the video. I'm gonna start with the text to video feature and write my prompt. Let's see how it looks like. As you notice, most of the generated videos are vertical, but there is a way to make a horizontal one, by uploading a horizontal image reference, and then write a prompt to animate it. So let's do that. Now let's watch it together. As you can see, it gave me already a horizontal one. Now, the last one on our list, Snapgen Backlash.ai. First, you need to sign in. Then go to Studio and make sure to choose Google Video over here. You can only use the text-to-video feature in this platform for free. If you try to use the image-to-video feature like that, it's gonna ask you to subscribe. Also, the only free options are the Veo 3 Fast and the Veo 3 Lite. Other options need credits to be used. So now, let's try it out and write a prompt over here and see how it goes. Let's watch it together. And that's it for today. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.